Let me show you how to use the MDF protector. First, install the module onto the back mount frame. Next, use the insertion tool to connect the wires with the module, and cut the extra wires one by one. By the way, the housing of the protector is flame retardant, high temperature resistance, and aging resistance. Then confirm that the wires are securely fixed, and insert the earth bar into the module. Finally, insert the MDF protector into the module. Moreover, it is one pair modular design protector, also called Mini PEI. It's done. Thanks for watching.
The Apple, your partner in growth.